Hello, I'm Kayode. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I'll be giving you information, advice, tips that will empower you for wealth creation, financial freedom, all-round success in life, business, and relationship. Just before I share with you what I have today, I want you to remember to click the button subscribe. Don't also forget to put on the notification bell so that you can regularly be among those who will be the first to receive our daily videos and tips that will empower you for financial freedom and success in business, life, and relationship. Today I want to speak to you about making money online legitimately. How to make money, how to make extra money online legitimately. And I'll be giving you 5 ways by which you can make money online legitimately. Number five, online survey. Now relax, I'm not talking about your expertise in land surveying. No, I'm talking about opinion survey. I'm talking about conducting opinion polls. You see, most companies, before they release a brand or product or services, they want to sample opinion of people. They want to know people's attitude towards that product. The survey companies who work with businesses, with companies, with brands who want to hit the market and they don't know how to hit the market, or companies that are trying to improve their products or services, companies that are trying to improve sales or improve the brands. So before they do that, they want to get the opinion of people all over the world. And so they work with survey companies. And these survey companies just recruit anybody. You don't have to have a degree. You don't have to have any knowledge of anything. Once you can answer these questions online, that will be all. And these questions take between 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and sometimes an hour. And they pay between $5, $10, some pay $20 per survey. Some pay even $50, although those ones are very, very rare. We have such companies as Pinecone Research, Swagbox, Inbox Dollars, Global Test, and a few others. So all they do is they just look for people who will answer questions. And once you answer questions, you get your money. You see, so you don't need any money to do anything. In fact, when you want to sign up, some pay you a bonus, sign-up bonus, $5, $10. So they pay you, for example, Inbox Dollars pay $5 for signing up bonus. For the other one pays about $10 for signing up with them. So it's fun, just fill in the form that will take you 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 25 minutes or 45 minutes or 1 hour. And there are companies that pay $50 just by signing, just by filling the survey form. That's all, online. And then you get your money. So number 4, the 4th way by which you make money online without spending money or with little or no money is through online teaching or online tutorial. And under this, there are at least 3 or 4 ways by which you can make money there without spending a couple. Number 1, you can sell your lesson plan to another teacher. And there are teachers looking for for lesson plans online. There are teachers who are teaching, but they want people who will prepare lesson plans for them. You only need to know them and search for them online. If you Google, you will see such websites. Number 2, as a teacher, you can write ebook on the subject that you are so professional about, on the subject that you have adequate knowledge. So you can actually, write all the things that you know in form of ebook and sell out to fellow teachers or even students all around the world. Number 3, by which you can make money through online teaching, is that you can teach someone. There may be students in schools, there may be students who are preparing for exam. They may be just people who want to learn English, for example. Particularly if you are good in French, you are good in in other languages, in German. There are people or in other countries of the world who want to learn such languages, and you will be paid handsomely just teaching them online. There are also people who you can coach, that you can, in terms of coaching them about life, and you also get reward for this handsomely. Number 3 is blogging. You can actually make money, lots of money, through blogging. And this does not require anything other than computer and internet connection. And this does not require no requirement of a degree, no requirement of any skill other than you are turning your passion into money making. What is it that you know how to do? Is it beauty? Is it makeup? Is it music? Turn that into money making by having a blog. Just start writing. Once you can communicate in English, you just start writing, and all that you need to do, you don't need to hire, you don't need to get a website, you don't need even a domain. Start with a blog, and the blog is free. Google has Blogspot. You can start with Blogspot. There are people today who are making hundreds of dollars, even thousands of dollars, than those companies that have websites, than journalists, professional journalists that have websites. They just blog. Are you good at entertainment? You can begin to have a blog. You can look for Blogspot. You can look for Instagram. Instagram is also free. Instagram blog is free. WordPress. And you don't need any experience or any skill in coding or programming. No. It's very simple. You just begin to write consistently. But you must be consistent. For those who have a niche, it is better to make money, easier to make money that way than those who do not have. So look for something that you want to focus on and be consistent in it. Be an expert in that area and regularly release news or stories. It may be all about you, and you see that people will fall in love with your niche, and you begin to make it. Now, there are about at least nothing less than 10 ways by which you can make money from blogging on websites. Number 1, Google. You can apply for Google AdSense to pay you money on the adverts that are on your site, by which people click on. Number 2, you can look for adverts directly. You can go to companies to get ads. Once your site or your blog is strong enough, some companies will visit you to promote their brands, even without you going to them. Number 3, by which you can make money, is that you can write ebook from the things you are writing, and then you sell them. The 4th way, you can also, when you have built a community, you can begin to ask for subscription. For those, after some years or a year or 2, if you are very strong and you are already getting traffic, you can be getting subscription. You can also organize conferences and you make money. You can launch books, you can present books, and you make money. You can be training some people in blogging, and you also make money. There are at least not less than 10 ways by which you can earn money from blogging or from having a website, just by turning your passion to money making. And it is unlimited. The gains that you have there is unlimited. You make money. You make money easily, and you don't need a staff in the beginning. When you are starting, you don't need a staff. Just you, and turning your passion to money making. Another way to make money is by transcription, and this involves nothing. Just into your internet connection and computer, and the skill to transcribe. You must be able to type. Just typing. That's what it requires. And I believe that most people can type. And all that you are required to do is to transcribe audio files into text. Audio files into text. And they pay a lot. These companies pay a lot. All of these things I've told you earlier, there are legitimate means of making money online. All that you are required to do is to transcribe some audio files to text, for example, and they pay $30 to $45 per hour. Rev.com, for example, pay $1,495 monthly, as much as that, $1,495 monthly. And there are quite a number of sites like that pay heavily. Those who make more money in this transcription are those who have expertise in medicine or in law. Those who can transcribe legal documents, they make more money. Those who can transcribe medical reports or medical audio, they make a lot of money, because these are some niche areas. If you're also fluent, very fluent in multiple languages, you can make more money from transcription, because there are quite a number of people who want to transcribe German language or French language into English. You want to convert those audio files into English, so you make more money. And no experience is required, no money is required. All that you need to do is just to go to this site and register. Number one way to make money is through selling of digital products. Selling of digital products. So you can make money online without doing anything, without spending any money, by selling your products. You can sell ebooks. If you write ebooks, you can sell your own products, and you can sell other people's products. When you sell other people's products, you get commission. When you sell your own products, all the money belongs to you. So you can sell ebooks, you can sell online courses, you can write some courses like masterclass. You can do so many things online. You can get people's products or companies' products and sell. Now, if you have a blog, that's even good for you. You can just put the links, you can promote your products on your blog or on the website. So it's a pretty way to make money online without spending $1. All that you need is computer and internet connection. So to be able to get videos like this, you need to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, I'm reminding you now to subscribe. You see the subscribe button, and then remember to turn on the notification bell also, and share this knowledge to many people so that they can have financial freedom, they can have multiple streams of income, and they can be liberated from poverty and lack. Thank you for watching. God bless you.